This is Sw900 Ebike Display, and today I will show you how to set the odometer. I mean how to reset the odometer back to the zero. So currently my odometer is 776 kilometer, and if I want to change some data, or if I want to program the display, I need to press up and down button, keep holding them together, so it will go to the program mode. P0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that all are the different. When I see the kilometer, this is odo 776. So when I want to make this zero, I need to press M button and up key, both key together for a while. Keep pressing it. Once it's zero, I need to M button. Just a minute, I am not able to do it, so let's try again where I did the mistake. Yeah, odometer. Keep pressing up button for a while. Let's see what happens. Okay, so only up button for a while and it will become zero. Now turn off your system, turn on. So now it is back to zero. Yeah, so this way you can make your odometer or reset your odometer back to zero. Thank you so much, guys. And other programs I will share one more video for all the parameters setting. Thank you so much.